Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that plays a big role in our everyday lives: attention. Attention is a noun that means focus or notice given to something. It's what you give to things that are important or interesting to you. Let's break it down. Imagine you're in class and the teacher says, "Pay attention." They're asking you to focus on what they're saying. You might also hear someone say, "I need your attention for a moment," when they want you to notice or consider something carefully. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for attention. Words like focus, concentration, and awareness have similar meanings. For example, instead of saying, "The speaker grabbed the audience's attention," you could say, "The speaker grabbed the audience's focus." Or, "The task requires a lot of concentration to complete." Another option is, "Her awareness of the details impressed everyone." On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. Words like distraction, ignorance, and neglect represent the opposite of attention. For instance, instead of giving the lecture my full attention, I was lost in my own thoughts, contrasts with, "I was completely distracted by my phone." Or, "The project suffered from neglect because no one gave it enough attention." How does attention come up in everyday life? A parent might say, "The baby needs constant attention," meaning care and focus. Or, at work, you might hear, "Can I have your attention for a moment to discuss the meeting schedule?" When shopping, a salesperson might offer you their full attention to help you choose the perfect item. Here are a few examples of attention in sentences. The teacher clapped her hands to get the class's attention. The bright colors of the advertisement caught my attention immediately. Meditation can improve your ability to maintain attention for longer periods. That's it for today's episode of Hello Word. Let's quickly recap. Attention means focus or notice given to something. Synonyms include focus, concentration, and awareness, while antonyms include distraction, ignorance, and neglect. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed today's word, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word attention and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.